Hello, my name is Trey Russell and I was in group number 7. Our total name was Sleep or Weep. We did our regression analysis over what impacts the average amount of sleep a college student gets per night. Being a college student, we always want more sleep. Without sleep, students become more cranky, unmotivated, and it's harder for them to focus in class. Knowing how to increase sleep hours could increase GPA, a typical college kid's mood overall. It could help students stay more attentive. Majority of the sleep deprivation we think is an act of social life, and this is why we chose this as our special interest variable. Overall, we had 11 variables. Our dependent variable was average sleep hours per night, hourly. Our independent variables were financial aid, which was a dummy variable, 1 if receives, 0 if not. We had major, which was also a dummy variable. We had business, communication, engineering, and nursing. They equal 1 or 0. Worker has a job equals 1, does not have a job equals 0. Drinker, dummy variable. Toker, dummy variable. Current GPA, we did this on a scale of 150 to 400. Streaming sites, you added in the number of sites one uses to watch shows at home, for example, Hulu, Netflix, and any other streaming site that they might use. Gender, dummy variable, female 1, male 0. Age, current age in years. Relationship status, in a relationship equals 1, not in a relationship equals 0. And social life. This is our special interest variable, and we chose this as the number of days they go out. Our regression equation was sleep hours equals beta 0 plus beta 1 social life plus beta 2 major plus beta 3 streaming plus beta 4 college GPA, plus beta 5 worker, plus beta 6 drinker, plus beta 7 relationship, plus beta 8 financial aid, plus beta 9 toker, plus beta 10 age, plus beta 10 gender, plus epsilon. So looking over the summary statistics, our average person does not smoke marijuana, subscribes to about 1 streaming site, goes out about 2 days a week, is not in a relationship, is a business major, receives financial aid, is a male, drinks alcohol, has about a 3.4 cumulative GPA, is about 22 years old, and gets around 7 hours of sleep per night. The two variables that were statistically significant when it came to impacting a person's number of hours of sleep they got was being in a relationship and cumulative GPA. For the second regression specification results, we came to a conclusion that when adding an interaction term between financial aid and working, it resulted in one new variable being statistically significant. The new variable was financial aid. This regression fits the data better because the adjusted R-squared increased. Now, for our third and last regression specification results, the second interaction term we added was between drinking and smoking. This resulted in the same two variables being statistically significant as our baseline regression. This regression does not fit the data better because the adjusted R-squared decreased just a little bit.
Trey, wake up. We got an econ exam in 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, dude, my girlfriend, man, like we've been fighting and she was nagging me and I was sleeping all night long.
So this is what we found out. The number of nights that you go out directly correlated to the numbers of hours you sleep. Why does that mean? Maybe because the longer you go out, the more you sleeping because you hungover. However, running a regression, we determined being in a relationship is the biggest factor when determining the amount of sleep a person gets per night because girls are crazy. Our theory is that being in a relationship, couples don't want to deal with each other, the significant other, because girls are cranky and they crazy, and sleep is encouraged. Woo-hoo!
Good shit,